Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So I think by now most people know how to take these off. Just lift it up in the corner here and pull. Get that off here. But this ain't the side you gotta take off. So where the PS is, it's not on that side. It's the other side where the drive is. So I'm gonna take that off. After you take that off, there'll be a screw right here. Then you get this off. Get this screw. Pretty long screw. Pull that off there. Now what you want to do is unscrew this, because you need this screw. For this particular one, you need this screw because it doesn't come with a screw. So make sure you keep it. And you see where the screw is. So then you want to put the lined up like this. Put the other one around here. Heat sink, thermal. And you see there's different screw holes for different drives. This one uses the second hole, but you take this and I think you can put the washer in too. Screw that, put the cover back on. Screw this back on. This cover back on. Line it up right. There we go. Back. Good as new.
Ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.